Hey guys, today I'm making a banana bread with a streusel. Start by adding your softened butter into a bowl. Then add in the sugar and mix it together well using a whisk till the mixture is smooth and creamy. Then mix in the eggs and vanilla. Add in the baking powder, ground cinnamon, and mashed banana, and mix well. Then add in the flour and mix till incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Transfer the batter into a greased medium-sized loaf pan. Then spread it out evenly and set it aside. To make the streusel topping, in a bowl add in the butter, flour, sugar, cinnamon and chopped pecans and mix it together well using a fork. Spread the mixture evenly over the top of the batter. Then bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool. Then transfer it onto a wire rack to cool completely. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!